Okay, so once you get logged into Buzz, you'll notice a folder called Unit 5 Strings off to your left. If you click on that, you should see the class examples, the resources, and the assignments. If you click on the class examples folder, that is where you'll find stringexplore.java. That's the program that you're going to be using for this activity. So when you click on it, you click on it again and it'll automatically download. When you open that download, you'll see that come up right here in JGrasp. I'm just going to use JGrasp because it's easier when you're opening somebody else's program to use that. The sub should have given you a document, and so if you look at the document, you see I've listed out several of the methods. Now, some of these we've used, like equals we've used before. But what'll be on here is the method, description of it, and an example. If you look at the program, the String Explorer program, you'll notice that in that program, it's called String Explorer, I have defined this object called word, that's a string object, and I set it equal to these characters that spell out the word programming. So now if I have an integer variable, which I called value here, I can set my integer variable equal to word, which is the object that gives me access into this string class. Dot is a method selector, length. So it goes over here to the string class. It looks for something called length. Here it is, length. And it returns the length of the word. So it'll count up how many characters are in that word, and it'll return that length. So it's an example of how length works. And then I just printed it out in a little system out print line to see what that would look like. You and your partners are going to take different ones and test them out. So there, I have all examples over here. So you're each going to take a different string method and test it out in this program. So by the end, you should have 3 or 4 of those tested out. And that is your job. Good luck.